Archana, the sound is not there. Could you just check?
A very good art. Satwik, you are on. You are able to hear me, right?
Yes, Archana, audible.
Okay, we were not getting the sound for video. Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us today for our Bharat Franchise Show. We welcome each one of you to this great initiative taken by Franchise India. Bharat Franchise Show is India's biggest franchise show where our aim is to represent top brands to each one of you. It's with the aim of covering digitally 100 cities in 100 days. We have invited all our brands representatives so that they can come digitally and talk about the business model they have got for you. Franchise India is Asia's largest integrated franchise solution company, totally focused for investors. And we welcome each one of you to this particular webinar. We invite and welcome our our title sponsor, Team HX, our associate team, Team Eurocan, as well as all the esteemed guests who will be joining us this evening to talk about their franchise model. I also welcome and invite Mr. Anna Malai, who is our very senior resource from South. Thank you so much, Anna, for joining in today. And he'll be inviting and hosting this particular webinar for each one of you. Anna, may I request you to please welcome everybody who have joined us today in your regional language. Over to you, Anna.
Thank you. Thank you, Archana. Tamil Nadu Franchise Show பார்க்க வந்திருக்கும் அனைவருக்கும் இனிய மாலை வணக்கம். இது பாரத் பிரான்ச்சைஸ் ஷோவின் தமிழ்நாடுக்காக ஸ்பெஷலாக இது franchise show. Good evening to one and all present here. It's my pleasure to welcome you all to yet another series, the Bharat Franchise Show of Tamil Nadu. Franchise India brings in their 20 years of experience and knowledge in this show, even during this pandemic, to our drawing rooms virtually for us to select the preferred brand every day at 7 p.m. They are unique and hand-picked brands. Kindly spend time, select a good brand that suits you and get benefited. Thank you, Mr. Gaurav Maria, if he's present here, the franchise guru and the most preferred person in the franchising industry. Thank you, Sonia, the managing director, Sanjay, the IFC head, Stanley, and all other Franchise India team members. We welcome you all to this Tamil Nadu Franchise Show, Bharat Franchise Show, virtually. I, on behalf of all the independent franchise consultants, welcome all the brands who are going to present today. We are anxiously waiting to know more. Thank you. Over to you, Archana. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Anna, for hosting this particular webinar in your city, in your state, and inviting us to represent the top handpicked opportunities. Now, without taking further time, it is our privilege to invite our title sponsor, Team HX, and we invite Mr. Deepanjan, who has joined us today and talking about the brand. If I talk about HX, it's leading brand in the refurbished category. And today he'll be talking about the different bonanzas information and schemes he has got for us. We are also joined by Mr. Roy, who will be giving you information in your question in chat box for your question and answers. So we request each one of you to maximize this opportunity, write maximum question in question and answer box. Thank you so much, Dipanjan, for joining in. Should we start the presentation from your side?
Welcome everyone to today's session of the Bharat Franchise Show. Just wanted to make sure my audio is working okay. Anamalaji, if you could give me a hands up if you're hearing me fine. Does it sound okay? Perfect. I am Dipanjan Purkayastha. I'm the co-founder and CEO of HyperExchange, India's #1 brand for refurbished electronics. And I'm going to tell you in the next 5 minutes what refurbished electronics is, how well HyperExchange has been doing, and what kind of team we build. From there, in the next 5 minutes, we'll be talking about the opportunity, the market, and what are the options available to you, why you should choose HyperExchange as your partner. And then we will end with Q&A and also discuss the options of investing with us and what kind of partnership we can look forward to. So starting from the beginning, we are a very young brand. We started in 2016. We are incubated by Indian Institute of Management, Calcutta, which is one of the top incubators for startups in the country, incubated by them. And we've been growing from strength to strength since. In fact, last year, 2020, we were awarded the Retail Startup of the Year by Retailers Association of India. For those of you who are in the retail industry, you'll know that Retailers Association of India is the top apex body of retailers in the country. And it was indeed an honor to be awarded the Retail Startup of the Year award by them, especially in 2020, which was the year of the pandemic, and retail was going through a very, very significant disruption that year. So very proud of that. 2021, we actually went a step ahead. Forbes magazine actually listed us among the 30 under 30 leaders in not just in India but also in Asia. So we've been growing from strength to strength. I'm quickly going to take a step back and tell you more about the product so you can understand what the context of the discussion is. So I meet a lot of people who have different ideas of what refurbished electronics mean. So let me clarify that first of all. So which is the market. Gaurav isn't here in this, couldn't attend this session, I'm guessing today, but he usually has a 4-point evaluation matrix for investors to look at businesses. One is the market. The second is, your own expertise and profile. Third is the investments that you need to make. And fourth is the micro market that you're in. How is it relevant to your space? So I think what I am trying to clarify right up front is what is the product or the space that you'll be looking at. So in refurbished electronics, we deal with 4 different kind of products. Mobiles, which is over 80% of the market actually for us, 85% in fact of revenue. Mobiles is the overwhelming leadership category in our products mix. We have laptops, we have televisions, and we have a bunch of accessories, Bluetooth speakers, sound bars, mobile cases, all of the accessories for electronics are also available. Now, these are available in 3 different grades, new, unboxed, and refurbished. Now, new is obviously all of us are familiar with what new is. Unboxed is also brand new products, but they are typically liquidated products by brands, which are typically maybe a few seasons old. So they're still brand new, but they don't usually carry a brand warranty. The warranty is provided by us. And then there's a third category, which is refurbished, which is essentially products that are pre-owned by customers that we recover and then bring them up to speed, tune them up, make them as good as new, and sell them in the market. So that's the product category we work in. We work across two different distribution models, one in online and one in offline. So yes, we are an omni-channel brand. We work very strongly online, but also we have a very strong offline presence. Online, we're among the top or the top 3 partners to all the large online marketplaces like Flipkart, Amazon, everybody else. We also have our own marketplace. In fact, if you'd like to, you can visit hxcard.com. Satanik, if you'd like, if you please share the website address and the app name with everybody on the group, they could probably download and visit us. Offline, we have 2 different channels. One are the distributors who are our, we typically work with large national level distributors like Ingram, who is the largest distributor of mobile phones in India. We are the exclusive partner for refurbished electronics. And we have, last but not the least, the franchise distribution model, because of which you and I are in a chat today. Now, these products that we sell through this model, these channels that we sell through, we sell them with a very specific set of promises, which builds the trust, right? What are those promises? Number one, a 12-month doorstep warranty on all products, a 7-day worry-free return program, a 9-month assured buyback policy, and we also plant 1 tree for every customer order. Now, we have talked about what the brand is and what kind of product we sell. Quickly, we'll talk about where we are. So we are around 100 crore plus revenue run rate. Actually, we're close to crossing around 120 crores this year. We have posted 100% growth from the year of our inception. In fact, in this last few months, we've often been posting almost 100% growth month on month. And we are, interestingly, a model which is very relevant during this time of uncertainty. We happen to be in a model which is COVID proof. We've actually been growing faster through the pandemic than before it. As an organization, we are very strongly led by technology. And that's important for you to know, because I'll speak about it in just a couple of minutes. We'll talk about why technology is able to provide you with a better experience, but also with better margins. So it's not only efficient, it's also a better solution for the customers. I'll come to that in just a minute. But last but not the least, we have a great leadership team. And here's the team out here. I already mentioned about myself. I'm Dipanjan Purkasta. I have around 25 years experience globally, working across the globe with small startups as well as large organizations. I'm typically a turnaround guy. I'm typically take responsibilities of small businesses and turn them around and make them big. That's been my career progression all through my life. Came back to India from US around 2014 to start, initially invest in HyperXchange and then be a part of it. And I'm a faculty on several engineering as well as management colleges, some of the top colleges in the country and abroad. I am supported by Ashish and Satanik. They are my co-founders. Ashish is a technology veteran. He used to work with TCS, and in fact, he used to manage, during his stint with the Tatas, he used to manage Ratan Tata's technology office. So very, very happy to have Ashish in our journey with us. And Satanik is actually the person that won the Forbes 30 Under 30 award this year. He's a product head and brings a lot of, so very interesting mix of people. I mean, we have, as you can see, Satanik graduated from college just 3 years back. Ashish has around 15 years experience. I have around 25 years experience. So it's a very broad mix. It allows for a lot of experience as well as a lot of creativity to build into the team. In addition to that, we are very blessed that we have strong leaders in the industry supporting us at the board level. CP Gurnani, who's the chairman of the board, he is one of the best known CEOs of the country. He is the CEO and MD of Tech Mahindra, and very happy to share that HyperXchange is the only company outside the Mahindra world where he has agreed to be a chairman on the board. So very happy to have him on our team. Devu Mukherjee, he's the Chief Marketing Officer of UB Group. It's the largest beverages company in the country and part of the largest beverages company in the world, Diageo. So he is the Chief Marketing Officer of that. And Mukesh Soni is the Executive Director of the Kotak Investment Advisory business, which is, part of the Kotak Mahindra Bank empire. So solid team. And as I had mentioned, very strong focus on technology. I had mentioned earlier that we have built our own patented software, and what it does is it streamlines our supply chain and enables us. I'm not going to go into details of this. You can ask me those questions in the Q&A after my talk, but what it results in, what the technology results in, is a 400% improvement in margin. Industry margin is around 8% right now. Used to be right from 2016. And we are sitting on a relative margin of around 30%, and that's all because of technology. It's not a people problem. You solve it by disrupting the technology. We're also able to reduce the turnaround time from the industry standard of 45 days to 15 days that we take to turn around the product from. And we are now trying to hit a target of 7 days turnaround time within the next 3 years. So that's the target. As a result of this, not only are we more profitable and we move faster, we are able to churn our capital faster. We're also able to build better quality products and address our customers better. As a result of that, our customer loyalty is at 79%. Now, this, understand, in the consumer electronics space, loyalty for brands flips around 17 to 19%. And we are in that same industry sitting at a 79% customer loyalty. So customers keep coming back to us. So I think those are the elements. In addition to that, the fact that the market is growing at a very, very fast rate. If you look at the right-hand side of the screen, you'll realize that the market is growing at 79% by value. And it's not a small base. It's a $40 billion base. So if you look at the top headline, it's a $100 billion market globally. 40% of the market is sitting in India. That's a $40 billion base. It's not a small base, growing at 80%. And the top 10 players in this industry don't even account for 1% of the market, which means there's a lot of headroom in space for companies like us to grow. And we are seeing that. I mean, when I talk about a company, 120 crore company growing at 100% month on month, that's the kind of growth that we're experiencing, that you'll potentially be inviting you to be a part of. Now, why is this happening? Of course, refurbished gadgets had been growing at a fast pace for a long time now, but it's been growing faster now because of the COVID. You remember I mentioned that it's a COVID-proof model. The reason it's growing is because everybody is working from home. And our children are even studying from home. And all of us need devices to connect and do our work. So need for devices is no longer a luxury. It's an absolute necessity now. Everybody needs it. But at the same time, our disposable income has gone down. We don't want to spend as much because it's saving up. During times of uncertainty, especially when it's a health emergency, people tend to save. So people who need these devices are increasingly buying refurbished gadgets rather than new gadgets. And as a result, the market has been growing fast. Now, here are the 4 reasons why we feel you should select us. I've already walked through these reasons before. To synopsis, we are, number one, part of a massively growing industry, and we ourselves are experiencing very fast growth. Number 2, we are growing fast, not just despite the pandemic, but actually due to the pandemic. So we are a very pandemic positive model. Number 3, I mentioned we are very strongly omni-channels. We are available offline and online, but the interesting part for you as a partner to us is that you will also be able to play online with us. So you are not limited to our offline. You will be playing side by side with us online, not just in your territory or whatever territory you choose to be a part of, but the whole of India and eventually the whole of the globe. So you'll be part of that. And last but not the least, we understand that all of us are going through uncertain times. And as a result, we have built a model which is based on minimum guarantee policies and stock correction programs, which allows you to lower your risk profile on your investment. How do you do that? Let me go into the details. So I told you the last part we'll talk about how you can invest and what is in it for you, right? I've already talked about why I feel this is a great investment opportunity for you. The 4 reasons that I shared just now. If you now choose to invest, how would you do that? So there are two ways to do it. One is to invest in a city franchisee or the area franchisee for a territory. It could be a state, it could be a city, it could be a set of towns depending on the size. And that's the master franchising model. And then you can also be a unit franchise, which means you can take up a store or a network of stores and manage the stores itself. Now I'll come to the stores first and come back to the master franchise. So hold this slide in your mind. I'm going to come back to this. Let me go to the next one first. So if you are to plan a store, there are three models available. Now, this is a very clear store model, which means you'll sell through stores and you'll also sell online. I'll come to that. So I'll focus on the model on the right-hand side of the screen, which is the H experience model. This is a model that is a combination of a mobile store and a coffee shop, so a cafe. And the reason that is because it's got the same consumer target. The people, the focused consumer segment that buys refurbished electronics, of course, now with the pandemic, a broader segment is buying it, but the core are college students and young professionals. These are the folks who are very well read, they're tech savvy. They are not worried about buying a product that is pre-owned. They just want the aspiration of the brand and then want it to work fine. These folks are also, by the way, the primary customer segment for cafes. So what you're essentially doing is bringing something that attracts both this segment across both the product areas and creating a stickier relationship with your customer base. As a result, ROI on this model is a whopping 70%, and you get your payback within 17 months. Now, if you choose to do something smaller than this, then you can choose the H exclusive model, which is a 500 square feet model. It's essentially the experience model minus the cafe. It's a pure mobile phone store. And then you have a smaller footprint mobile store, which is the H Express, which is a 100 square feet mobile phone store. Now, if you choose to be a area franchise for us or a unit franchise for us, then these are the three options you could choose. Now, if you choose to be a master, I told you I'll come back to it, then you'll do three things. First, day one, when you choose to come on board and be a partner with us, you'll first open your own store, which will be the H Experience store that I just discussed. You will run the store and stabilize the store over the next 2 months. On the third month, you'll open a refurbishment factory. When I say a refurbishment factory, that's essentially a 10-seater office, a 10-desk office. We will provide you with all the tools and the technology and also the technicians initially. 2 months, again, you'll spend stabilizing this business, and we will provide you with all the refurbishable products that you will repair and get ready and sell. 2 months of this, you'll stabilize. So by this time, 4 months have gone. You've already stabilized your store operations. You're stabilizing your refurbishment operations. 5th month, you'll open your training facility, which is your training academy, where we will provide you the certificate program for training on consumer electronics and appliances. We have a government certified program. We are a partner with NSDC and PMKVY for this program. So we'll provide you with that technology, with that know-how and the training, and you'll be able to train technicians in the space. Now, this area, mobile and laptop technicians, is a very in-demand space right now, and you'll be able to provide that capability. So as a master franchise, so this is what we'll do on the 5th month. So by the 6th month, you're actually stable on all three revenues. You're earning revenue through your store by selling as well as buying back or exchanging products. You're earning revenue through refurbishment and repair. You're also earning revenue through training. And at the same time, you are working with the brand as well as with Franchise India to open more unit franchises in your territory. A minimum of 10 is the target for the first year, but I think you'll be able to do almost double that, 20 in that space. And that would be your objective for opening a master franchisee program. So very different objectives. A unit franchisee would just want to mention, get really good at managing a store. But a master franchisee is almost like a CEO of that area. They're not only helping the units manage their stores, but also doing the entire cycle of operations from, buyback to repair to sell to train in that space. Now, both these options will have this launch offer that I talked to you about, which is the lowering the risk element. They will both have three elements. The minimum guarantee plan, which means if you are not able to sell a specific amount of stock, we will provide you a minimum guarantee, which means we will pick up the stock and give you a 9% annualized rate return on that inventory. And this will happen on a monthly basis. We will offer you 100% stock correction on products that you feel are not moving fast enough. And we will give you access to online sales, which means if you sell offline, you'll typically make a margin around 10 to 12% on the products that you sell, but you can also choose to sell online. So for example, you say, I'll be able to sell X amount of my store, but I have more appetite. I want to not just sell in my store, in my location, but I also sell across India. In which case you can come to us and we can help you onboard you onto our online and our offline, our own omnichannel platform, and provide you a 2 to 5% return on the inventory that we will help you sell. You have nothing else to do. Basically, you have to park the inventory, and the inventory basically sweats itself through us, through our platform. So that's the option available, which means if you are an investor, there is no phenomenon, no possible situation where you are not getting a return on your investment. And that's the beauty of the model, of this model, because you could be sitting in a store, which is, for example, God forbid, is running through a lockdown situation and not able to open the store. You will still earn revenue. Maybe you're in a situation in a store where you're not getting enough footfall because the lockdown has just opened. People are not really visiting stores much. You will still earn revenue. You have maximized your potential of a region, and you have completely, it has plateaued the demand in your region, and you cannot sell anymore. You cannot grow anymore in the region. You will still grow with HyperXchange. So that is the beauty of this model. With that, I'll just tell you what kind of support we will provide you. So we will provide you with tech support. I already mentioned we're a tech-led company. Complete end-to-end technology and software as well as hardware, including Faraday, will be provided to you. We will provide you support with social media and campaigns and anything that generates traffic in your units. We will provide you the entire training module as well as access to the OEMs to buy the spares and the services modules for your refurbishment facility if you are a master franchisee. And for all partners, we will provide you access to our consumer finance partners. So our banks and NBFCs that we work with, who will offer your customers EMI options and financing options and cashback programs and all the campaigns that they run. So we work with several of these banks and NBFCs, and we'll be able to pass that on to you. That, in a nutshell, is what HyperXchange is all about. I look forward to questions from you, and I hope that some of you are choosing today to be a partner with HyperXchange, which is going to be hopefully an exciting new journey for all of you. Thank you. Any questions?
Thank you, Deepajan. I think I've been continuously attending your show, and I'm getting my memory is improving on this. We are very much interested in this, and this is the need of the hour, because without the cell phones, the schools cannot happen, or without the laptops and other things. There was somebody, Mr. Surya, who wanted the explanation in Tamil. I said, Tamil, it is not possible. The presentation will be in English. We will be able to share you the requirements tomorrow with the Tamil this thing. So I'll get it from the thing, and I'll do it, Deepajan. It's really good. Thank you very much, Deepajan.
Thank you. Have a good one. Take care, everyone. Take care.
Thank you.
Stay safe. Bye-bye.
So Anna, just allow me 1 minute. My other guest is joining, is facing some problem.
Okay.
By that time, if you wish to address all the participants who have joined us on IA program, is just joining, he message me. So by the time he joins, would you like to take?
Okay.
So Anna, are you taking the IA wala form?
IA?
I'm saying by the time my audio, my another host, that guest joins, would you like to talk about different services we are giving to our all the audience?
Yeah. Yes. Yeah, thank you, Archana. Thank you, Archana. See, the franchise in India initially starts with IA product, like you'll have to register with Franchise India initially to get all the facilities what Franchise India has got to offer. And this facility is like a 6-month and a 1-year facility wherein we'll be giving you a lot of opportunity from where you can select some products. So this is the first thing that Franchise India is offering you. Plus, this is the first IA. The second thing is, whoever is attending the webinars, these webinar presentations will be given to you in case of your requirement. As per your requirement, the presentations will be given to you. So according to your requirement and whatever the brands, because we'll be on an average giving 10 to 12 brands on every Bharat franchise show every day on the show. So whichever the product you are interested, we'll be in a position to give you. The presentations of that so that you can select out of that. And for the expert advice, you can call on us and you can call on the Franchise India team also, who will also be able to give you more information about that. And in turn, we will connect you to the brand. When you're all okay with all this and the investment and all the plans, we'll be connecting you with the brand on a con call basis, either in a Zoom meeting or in a regular meeting, wherein you can talk to the brand and get the first-hand information about the product and how we'll have to proceed and all that on all the products. So this will be more effective when you talk to the brand directly, so that the area required and what is the investment required and what will be the products and what will be the return on investment, all this will be of much support to you. But for the regular shows, yeah, you can anytime go into that website, Franchise India website, and you can just see 1,500 or 1,800 live brands of Franchise India. You can pick brands from there and also get information. You can just call on us for information. We'll be able to provide information required according to your requirement, be it food industry, service industry, or whatnot. Anything, we'll be in a position to give you all information regarding the brands, whatever you require. So these are the services. These are most of the services Franchise India is giving. Not only this, the brands who have a very good product and who want to expand soon. I think franchising is the best option to expand soon. So when you come and register with Franchise India first, initially they will give you the state, the presence in the state. Then they can give you across the south or across north or wherever, and it can even give pan India. All this is Franchise India has got all the facility. I think Aman is coming. Aman can take over. Aman, thank you.
Sure. Thank you so much, Anna, for giving us this understanding. Hi, Aman. Thank you so much for joining in today. Now, Amandeep Singh is Hi, namaskar, sir.
Hi, Aman.
Now, Amandeep Singh is representing the brand Eurocan, its leading consulting brand. And today he'll be talking about 3 different models, specifically work from home opportunity, which you can start as low as 1.5 lakh rupees. It's a great opportunity for each one of you. And we'll start with the small and the beautiful presentation as well as video from his side.
Thank you, Archana. Thank you, Archana. I have 2 people ready for this. Aman, I think we can connect tomorrow for this.
Yes, for sure. I'll just play with the video. So, thank you.
Know what are the key ingredients that make any franchisor a great success? Low investment, high return, product training, and instant support. And the great news is, you have the opportunity to be part of the industry, which is recession-proof and growing exponentially year on year. Presenting Eurocan Global, North India's leading education and immigration consultant, a successful venture of Mr. Amandeep Singh, who has a vast 14+ years of experience in study abroad and immigration. And the great news is, they are inviting franchisee. Eurocan Global has 2 franchisee models. First, consultancy center where you can earn revenue through commission, no royalty and average payback period of 11 months. And the second model is consultancy and training center, where you can earn revenue through commission and classroom training programs. The average payback period is of 9 months. Choose any model and right from infrastructure setup assistance to operational guidelines, our experienced executives will make sure you, as a franchisee or business partner, receive all the required aid. We ensure your business gets a kickstart, and for that, we assist you throughout the process, like support in office shortlisting, designing office layout, office branding, CRM support for effective interaction between company and customer, providing support staff for new branch, staff recruitment and training, offering print materials and guidance, digital promotion, support in conducting university visits, monthly visits of new branch by regional manager, processing support for the branch, one edufair in every quarter of the year along with MD visit, brand promotion for local marketing, media coverage assistance for inauguration or events, initial support for branch opening, welcome kit for new branch, and fan visits to abroad, etc. You will get a successful business model ready, which will earn you the attractive incentive and excellent return on investment. European Global has been awarded with Pioneers of North India Award by Honorable Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh, Gaurav Award by Honorable Chief Minister of Haryana, and by Honorable Chief Minister of Punjab for excellence in education and immigration. European Global deals with 40 plus countries. If you are seeking to explore the world of immigration, here is the time you can fulfill your wish of owning your immigration and visa consultation business. We invite franchises from Pan India. Contact today only. Eurocan Global, making visa dreams reality.
Thank you everyone for staying with that video. As you might have seen from our tagline, making visa dreams reality, we are a company which guides people for education abroad, for their work settlement, for study abroad, and for permanent residency purposes. So you might have gone through the key points of what we have to offer, since how long we've been working and what we do as a franchisor. So I am honored to bring along this opportunity of working with one of India's leading education and immigration consultancy. So if you are willing to start up your own business in less investment where there are more profits, you want to be a part of one of the leading companies in India, you want to be a part of a brand which has already good track record of running branch, then Eurocan Global is the place to be. And as a prospective franchisee, what we want is that people who want to enter into this business for long run, who want to earn something, we assure that your average monthly incomes are from 2 to 5 lakh rupees for first year onward. So if you are want to make good income, you want to make a good sustainable career in this immigration, travel and education industry, we invite you to go through this presentation and further get in touch with us for further discussion. So as mentioned, we have been taking franchisee applications throughout India, and with Franchisee India support, we've been able to close lot many cities, and we are in process of opening many more centers. So our franchisee model is divided into two categories. First is consultancy center, which is 400 square feet area with an average investment of 4 to 7 lakh rupees. Second is 750 square feet area with average investment of 11 to 13 lakh rupees. Franchisee fee starts from 1.5 lakh, goes up to 3.5 lakh in model 1, and in consultancy plus training center it starts from 2 lakh and goes up to 4 lakh. We also invite people to work under work from home model, where they can just sign up by paying 1.25 lakh as a franchisee fee. This is suitable for people who are not having much investment in place, or who are already working but want to explore this industry side by side. They can sign up as a Eurocan Global brand, start working with the things, and later on can gradually move to their own office. Average payback time period for our business is approximately 9 to 12 months. Average ROI for 5 years is 375 to 600%, and our revenue sources being commission and classroom training programs we offer. First is model 1, where you have to invest around 6 lakh rupees for setup cost. If you already have a existing setup, it can be 300, 400, 500 square feet area, the cost will go down accordingly. And we've been getting many inquiries from the people who have already invested into a space, already have a running office, maybe a coaching institute or something. So this will reduce your costing to a great extent. In addition to that, you need to have a working capital of 3 lakh rupees for the first 3 months. You need to hire a staff of 4 or 5 people. Average salaries being 85 to 90,000 rupees a month. Our revenue sources are the commission that we get from the university. Our average ticket size being 90,000 rupees to 1 lakh. So you start generating revenue from third month onward, with first year projected figures being approximately 26-27 lakh rupees. It can be on a higher side depending upon the city you are in, depending upon the youth population that we have. So your gross monthly revenue could be somewhat around 2 to 5 lakh rupees depending upon the city. Second model is almost the same, but you need to invest bit higher amount into classroom infrastructure and bit higher amount into rentals and all, due to the increased space. However, you need to have additional IELTS trainer, so your salary costs are a bit higher. But along with basic revenue, you also have additional revenue of classroom training programs, where if you have 10 students and maximum number of students being 180 per quarter, average fees being 15,000 per student, you can generate average revenue of 33 lakh rupees for the first year. So your average monthly revenue is approximately 5 lakh rupees a month. Again, in this model, the average monthly gross revenue can be between 5 to 8 lakh rupees. So this is a franchisee model we have. Depending upon the city you want to open, how much the population is, what kind of target market it is, whether the market is already established, whether the market is new to this education business. However, most of the cities we are doing presentations of, we do study the market in general. We do a dry run of our advertisements across different social media platforms to see if the market is performing or not, whether the people have paying capacity and the interest to go abroad. So we'll be guiding you through with the target number of your particular city. And we'll ask many times that what kind of support we give as a franchisor, or a prospective franchisee asks that, okay, I want to start, but what I'm supposed to do, what is the role of the franchisor? So we have designed our model in a way that everything is done in a central ecosystem that we have designed, from finding an office, doing a setup, what kind of material need to be used, what kind of setup need to be done, how much staff need to be hired, whatever salary to be given, how whatever way training need to be given, what sort of way the regular working has to be done of the branches, regular day-to-day operations, regular day-to-day revenue reporting and everything, what kind of marketing to be done, how much marketing budget need to be invested. So you'll be guided through each and every single step of your branch operation until your branch is profitable and making good enough profits for both of us. Coming to the brand, we have been into this business for last 14 years. We work with 40 plus countries across the world, and we have been honored by 13 different awards for the work we have done in the education sector, including Honorable Chief Minister of Punjab, Honorable Chief Minister of Haryana, Honorable Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh, HRD Minister of Punjab, HRD Minister of Uttarakhand, and few other cabinet ministers. We are duly certified by 50 plus countries, including UK, US, Canada, for our work into travel sector. We are also UK British Council certified company for the work we do as a promoter of UK education. These are some of the clippings of news events we have done, we seminars and workshops that we had organized. These are glimpses of our TV shows which we have on different channels. We have very good coverage across North India channels. You name any channel, we have our talk show on education, immigration, and travel on those particular channels. So whatever market we open in, we'll be mainly exploring local partners, local media channels to help you grow your brand at a local level. Some of the reviews left by students on our different social media platforms, some of the press clippings of different events, award functions that we had, some of the glimpse of seminars that we organize. We organize a seminar, a student workshop every quarter, generating around about 100 to 250 students per quarter. And these are glimpse of our offices where we generate around about 10 to 40, 50 walk-ins in a single day. Some of the students who got visa after January. So despite COVID, despite everything, we were generating decent number of applications, and we have already sent 400 plus students after January till now. So this is a business which is recession proof. This is a business which is always growing. This is a business which despite COVID was making decent enough profits to survive when most of the industries were badly hit. So you can be part of this company. You can be part of Eurocan Global, which we have invested around 14 years to make this brand to at this level, where we have a very good brand image in place, where we have very good line of products in place, where we have very good marketing process in place. By sitting in Chandigarh, I can work out whatever city we want to open, what sort of target market it is, what kind of students we can get, what kind of paying capacity they have. Today in the world of globalization and with penetration of digital media across different platforms, like people using social media for their different things in life, you can easily track your target audience via the age group that you have. So these are the team which is handling our entire processing sales. We have our handling and processing office in Ludhiana and Chandigarh, which takes care of processing throughout India. So I invite you to be a part of this brand. I invite you to be a Eurocan Global franchisee. We want people who want to enter into this business for long run, who want to have Eurocan Global as their own company in their own city, working like own MD and own CEO of their own brand. So this is a kind of association we want, and that is a kind of support and system we have already made, and that is the kind of support you will be getting to make your business profitable. So if you are willing to make 2 to 5 lakh rupees a month, you want to have a business which is sustainable in the longer run, you have less investment, but you want to become an entrepreneur, we are happy to have you on board. And for further discussion, for any further calls, you can get in touch with the franchisee and team, and I'll hand over to Archana ji for any Q&A session now. Over to you, Archana ji.
So thank you so much, sir. And I invite Anna Malai, who's very excited. He has invited number of investors also. So Anna, I'm sure you must be having queries for Aman. Over to you.
No, Aman, actually, there are a lot of other education the advisors and other people here, but I think this brand should come in here. This brand should come in here, and a lot of people are trying for an another opportunity in Chennai. And last 2 years, most of the students have not gone out of India because of for the education. I think this is the right time. They'll have to come in and they'll have to use this opportunity. So I request all of you to use this opportunity. And there's not much of a question, but anyway, I have 2-3 people who want to connect with you, Aman. I'll get in touch with you. One for the thing, and the 2 people I have to connect. I'll connect tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I'll just call.
Sure.
Thank you, Aman. Thank you very much. Thank you, Archana.
So thank you so much, Aman. Thank you so much. As informed by Anna Malai, you'll be aligning your calls with all the important parties. Look forward. Thank you so much, sir. Now we invite Mr. Arnab Sinha, who's representing the brand Uclean, its most successful franchise chain in India as well as in world. The kind of the history they have created, it's really impressive. Within a short period of 4.5 years, they have already signed 250 plus franchise. And today he'll be talking about the new models he has got for us. Thank you so much, Arnab, आज हमें join करने के लिए, for joining us today. We are really excited to understand the entire journey as a founder and CEO of Uclean from your side. Over to you, Arnab.
Thank you, Archana. And thank you so much to the entire team at Franchise India for this wonderful opportunity to share the presentation of Uclean with the investors of Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Now, before I get into the exact model of Uclean and how Uclean functions, I would first like you to understand the laundry industry in particular. So if you look at the laundry industry in India, you would realize that one of the biggest findings that you would have is that it's a very, very large industry. As per KPMG reports, the laundry industry in India is as big as $76 billion, which makes it bigger than the food industry, the salon industry, the preschool industry, all put together. But one thing that really stands out is that despite such a large size, almost 96% of this industry is unorganized and controlled by the local dhobi. So before starting Uclean, I was basically the CEO of a company called Trebo Hotels. which is today the second largest budget hotel chain in India. And at Trebo Hotel, I realized that the biggest pain point that the customers have when they step inside a Trebo Hotel is that they are extremely dissatisfied with the quality of laundry. So whether it is the dirty bed sheet, the dirty pillow covers, dirty curtains, dirty towels, there was a huge problem at Trebo. And that's when I realized that the opportunity is so big and it is so unorganized that I started UP. And at Uclean, what you would also realize is that this is one business which is an absolute basic human need. So wearing clothes will never go out of fashion, and hence getting them clean will also never go out of fashion. Now, the next question, and something that I have been asked very often, is that people have washing machine at their home. People also have a maid at their home. So why should they outsource their laundry to a Uclean and not get it done at home? So you would see that on one side of this particular screen, I have done a very simple cost analysis. And you will see that if you are a 4-member family, and if you're getting your laundry done at home, the moment you add the cost of the laundry machine, the cost of the maid, and the cost of the detergent, the electricity bill, the water bill, etc., you're already spending almost 73 rupees per kg for getting your laundry wash and iron. If you decided to outsource the same laundry to your nearest Uclean store, we would be doing it for you at 80 rupees per kg. So not only we are price competitive compared to what you're doing at home, but at the same time, you don't have to manage us. When you're getting your laundry done at home, you also have to micromanage your maid, make sure that her timetable is aligned to your timetable, make sure that you're around your maid when she's washing the clothes. But with Uclean, you have the choice, you have the option. You choose when you want a pickup, you choose when you want a delivery, you can choose, you can cancel, you can reschedule. All that is available at the click of a button. Simultaneously, you would also realize, and especially when we talk about cities like Chennai, one major issue is that there is a water scarcity. So water scarcity becomes a very major problem. And when people start washing their clothes at home and not outsourcing them, they end up consuming much more water than could have been done in a community laundry. Space is becoming a constraint, maid management is becoming a constraint. And that is the reason why today more than 8 lakh customers across 67 cities of India are outsourcing their laundry to Uclean. Now, this is the overall footprint. So as of today, we are present in 67 cities of India. We have more than 250 franchise partners in the system. Not only we are the largest laundry chain in India, we are also amongst the top 4 largest laundry chains globally. Currently, we are serving more than 8 lakh customers across India, and we have a service available in more than 1,000 pin codes of the country. But apart from this, the biggest success story and something that should excite everyone is that our growth is equal. So when you look at the metro cities and when you look at the non-metro cities, you would see that our presence is almost 50-50. We are serving as many customers in the non-metro cities as we are serving in the metro cities. And I would say this is the biggest success story of Uclean. We have entered into markets like Guwahati, like Shillong, Anand, Belgaum. These are very small cities. And people prior to this were very afraid of such cities. And they always felt that a concept like laundry would not work in such cities. But because of the love of our customers and because of the hard work of our franchise partners, we have been able to demonstrate that Uclean works equally successfully and equally profitably in the small town India. One thing that I would like you to do is that once we are done with the presentation, whenever you are free, go to Google and try to find every Uclean store, try to see how we are rated, and then compare it with the local laundry industry. You would see that Uclean on an average enjoys a rating of 4.4 on a scale of 5. And this is direct Google rating, which is unbiased, uninfluenced. But when you will look at the local laundry chains, you will look at the rating of the standalone mom and pop operators, you would realize that their ratings are never more than 3.5. So kudos to our franchise partners and kudos to our team members who understand that laundry is one business where the same customer will keep coming back to you week after week. And hence it is very important to focus on their customer delight. That is why today almost 50% of our customers have availed uClean services more than once. And this is a very high retention rate in the laundry industry. Apart from this, what we have done is that we have always focused on serving the customer in the right manner. So when we started uClean, what we realized was the biggest challenge the industry today faces is that there is no transparency. So the local dhobi, he comes to your place, he picks up the dirty clothes. After a few days, he delivers it back to you after cleaning them in some manner. Now, the problem with that process is that there is absolutely no transparency. As a customer, you do not even know where your clothes are getting washed, what kind of chemicals are used, what kind of water is used, and very importantly, how your clothes are handled. So this was the first thing that we decided to change. And that's when uClean started the concept of small, friendly, local laundromats. So when you come to a uClean store, you would realize that there is the laundry machine is inside the store. The steam iron table is inside the store. And the entire team is also working inside the store. So as a customer, you can walk in at any point in time and see for yourself the entire process in action. You can see the equipment, you can see the chemicals, you can see the water, and very importantly, you can see how your expensive clothes are being handled. And to further create transparency, to further give the customers comfort, we've also built a very strong technology product. So as a customer, you have multiple options through which you can place an order with a uClean store. You can go to our website, you can go to the uClean application, you can directly go to the uClean WhatsApp number, or you can call up the centralized call center number and you can place your request from there. And then basis your address, basis your pickup time, basis your delivery time, the order will be automatically diverted to the nearest possible store. As a franchisee, you have to understand that we have also made your lives very easy. So when you come on board as a uClean franchise partner, you get a comprehensive uClean software, and this is an all-in-one software. So you do your billing here, you do your invoicing here, your customer management, your supply chain management. You can send out SMSs to customers to make sure that they're aware what is happening with their clothes at any point in time. And very importantly, this entire software, it is directly hosted on the cloud. So sitting in a city like London, you can actually manage your store in Hyderabad, you can manage your store in Chennai. Sitting in any part of the world, you can manage your store located in any part of the world. You would get to know what your daily sales are, how many customers walked in, what service did they avail, what was the detergent consumption, what was the water consumption, electrical consumption. Everything is transparent and everything is very clear. Now, when I talk about the franchise model, today I'll talk about three models in particular. One is the regular model, which is suited for your tier 1 cities, metro cities, and I would say the top 150 cities of India. The second model is the mini model, which is ideally curated for the rural areas of India, where the population would be typically less than 2 lakh. The third area is for those who want to look at a bigger bite, who want to look at the bigger picture, and are looking at taking the exclusive development right for a certain area. So when I talk about the first model, which is a regular model, and I would call the flagship model, so almost 90% of our stores today are on the regular model, which is where you need about 250 square feet of area. You would need about 1,000 liters of water on a per day basis. You would need 12 kilowatt 3-phase of electrical connection. You would need to have drainage facility and ventilation facility. The location of the store is not so important. So our concept is not the concept which would work inside a mall or on a high street. This is a concept which would typically work in the neighborhood area, the small markets which are closer to the residential population. The rentals would be under control, and very importantly, the cost incurred in pickup and drop would be minimized. Your total investment in this model would be about 16 lakh rupees. You will get one laundry machine, which would also be upgraded to dry cleaning. You would get one steam iron table. You will have your computer, printer, CCTV, etc. So about 6.5 to 7 lakh rupees is your investment on the equipment. 5 lakh is the franchise fee that we charge, and about 4.5 to 5 lakh is your investment in setting up of the entire store, which includes your civil, electrical, mechanical, plumbing, branding, and signages. So all in all, you can start a Uclean store on a 250 square feet area with an investment of about 16 lakh rupees. When you look at the performance of such a Uclean store, you would realize that a typical Uclean store becomes profitable within the first 3 months itself. The older the store, the higher are the revenues because you get a lot of loyal customers. Lower are the expenses because your customers are now regularly getting associated with the Uclean store, so you don't have to keep marketing for them. And that is why your profit margin becomes very high. So a typical Uclean store, by the time it is about 10 months old, it reaches its peak sales where you would be doing anywhere between 3.5 to 4 lakh rupees on a per month basis. Your profit margin would be almost 50%. So after removing all your expenses, you can expect to make anywhere between 1.5 to 1.6 lakh rupees per month as your profits. And you should expect to recover your initial investment in roughly about 15 to 18 months. The second model, which is the rural model, like I said, this would work better in a taluka area, in a village or in a block area where the target market is relatively smaller. So say a village that has a population of only 1 lakh people, or a taluka with a population of 1.5 to 2 lakh people. This model is ideally suited for such locations where you can set up the entire model in just about 11 lakh rupees, where about 4 lakh is your investment in the equipment. Another 4 lakh would be your investment in setting up of the entire store, and 3 lakh would be our franchise fee. Since the investment is relatively lower, so you can expect your profitability and break even to happen much faster. And such a store would typically recover the entire investment in less than 12 months. So this could be a fantastic model for someone in a taluka who already has multiple businesses and is looking for a side business opportunity, or is typically looking to settle someone in the family. The last model is what I call the higher investment, higher return model. And this is also a model that entails larger responsibility. So this model would again work in, I would say, a mid-sized city or a small town where the population is, say, roughly about 4 to 5 lakh people. So as a franchise partner, you can take the exclusive rights to develop this entire town or this entire taluka with a population of anywhere between 4 to 5 lakh and a spread of about 20 to 25 kilometers. We will give you the exclusive rights to set up the only plant or the only live processing center in your area. And thereafter, you can open multiple collection centers across this particular city. So you start with one processing plant or the live center, and then there would be a potential to set up 4 or 5 collection centers, which would be feeding to this particular plant. And as the owner of this particular plant, you have the rights to either open these collection centers on your own, or we could also help you sub-franchise them. Now, the biggest difference would be that these collection centers, they would not have cleaning capabilities. So they would only be required to collect the dirty clothes, and then these dirty clothes would be sent to the plant, where the plant would be responsible for cleaning them, packaging them, and delivering them back to the collection center. And the collection center would further deliver it back to the customer. All the revenue would be shared on a 50-50 basis between the collection center and the live center. The overall model would be that as an area developer, you would have to invest about 30 lakh rupees. 17 lakh rupees would be the investment in the equipment and the entire store setup. 12 lakh would be the franchise fee for giving you the rights, the exclusive rights to develop that particular area. Any collection center that opens up under you, all the revenue, the franchise fee would be shared on a 50-50 basis between you and the brand. And all the clothes that they are collecting, the revenue between you and the collection center would be again settled on a 50-50 basis. A collection center would be a zero royalty model because they're already giving 50% revenue to the plant. The royalty would be collected from the plant, and this would be directly dependent on the volumes. So the more the volumes, the higher would be the royalty. And the reason for that is that we would also want to remain motivated. We would also want to drive business in your city. So we would try to open as many collection centers as quickly as possible. And we would also work on making these collection centers profitable and successful so that the total volume that you receive increases. So in that sense, this is a game where we also have a very strong skin in the game, because the more the number of clothes you clean, the higher is also our royalty share. So in such a model, I would expect you to break even in the first couple of months itself, and you should be able to recover your investment in about 30 months. The agreement would be for a 7 years duration. And our expectation is that over a period of 7 years, you should be able to make almost 900% profit on your initial investment. Now, this is the overall support system and the last slide of my presentation. This is the support system that would be offered to any franchise partner that joins the Uclean family. And it is independent of the format. So whether you're looking at a rural model, whether you're looking at the regular model, or whether you're looking at the area developer model, this is the support system that would be extended to you from day one. And this would remain with you till the time you're a franchisee in the system. So we would help you in finalizing the right site for setting up your store. We would also help you set up the entire store from scratch. So we have a dedicated projects team, we have a dedicated vendor team, and they would work very closely with you on making sure that you're setting up the store in the right manner and in the shortest possible time. The entire supply chain is controlled by us. We manufacture our own chemicals, we manufacture our own packaging material and detergent. You can directly place an order from our software, and upon making payment, the entire material would be delivered to your doorstep within 7 days of making the payment. I have already talked about technology. I would also like to help you understand that we take the complete responsibility of recruiting your team and training them and then deploying them at your store. In case of any attrition, we also take the responsibility of hiring their replacement. Last but most importantly, we would also be working with you very closely on targeting and lead generation, all the online marketing effort, whether it is happening through paid Google ads, paid Facebook ads, Instagram ads, that would be completely invested into by us. And these would help you generate a lot of leads. Local level, we would be expecting you to take the lead in terms of marketing. Our marketing team would visit your location, understand the neighborhood, understand the neighboring markets, and help you plan the marketing activities. They would also provide you all the designs, but the local printing and distribution would be your responsibility. At the same time, what we also do is we occasionally run city level ads or town level ads. So something like a radio campaign, which benefits not only one store, but every other store that is present in that particular area. And the entire investment into such marketing activities would also be done directly by the brand. I'm very happy to share that while we only have a 4.5 years journey, 25% of our franchise partners have already invested in more than one Uclean unit. So they started with one Uclean unit. They liked the return on investment. They liked the support extended to them. And that's when they took a conscious decision to invest in multiple Uclean stores. So I would love to invite all passionate entrepreneurs who strongly believe in the cleaning industry, who strongly believe in Uclean, to join with us to help you open a successful and profitable Uclean in your city. But very importantly, we would love to partner with those entrepreneurs who have a long-term vision and are looking to invest into multiple Uclean stores. So that's it from my side. Happy to take up any questions.
Thank you, Arnab. Hi, Arnab. This is Annamlai. How are you? It's a long time. Yes,
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, it was really a wonderful presentation, Arnab. It's been very good. And of course, as in other cities, even in Chennai and Tamil Nadu, the maid has become a big problem nowadays. To getting a maid and getting all this, and your really equation, your equation, what you're giving for giving it outside for a family of 4, it's much cheaper than what we do, but for the electricity and other water what we require. So this is a right choice and a right option, and it's good that somebody go into this Uclean soon. We are looking in for some good investors for Uclean in South India and Chennai. Thank you, Arnab. Thank you.
So Arnab, I would like to take a few queries. We understand that no one is there in market with 250 plus organized kind of the chain which Uclean has established, but still you want to discuss about the competition and what you see specifically for this market. So we have understood that you are digitally traveling with us to each and every city. But these are the two specific questions I really want to understand. One is obviously the competition, and second, what do you think Uclean can create a value proposition in today's market?
Sure, sure. So when I talk about the competition, I would say our biggest competition even today is the local dhobi. So when we started about 4.5 years back, almost 96-97% of the market was controlled by the local dhobi, and the customers were absolutely unhappy. But because they didn't have a better option, they were forced to use the local dhobi. And I would be very honest, I would say the scenario has still not changed much. So while Uclean has grown from a single store in 2017 January to 250 plus stores, but the market is still very, very big. So our biggest competition even today is the local dhobi. And fortunately, they don't have access to the right kind of technology, the right kind of know-how, or the right kind of equipment. So we have a very strong edge over them. When I talk about the organized competition, this is still very small in size, and every city would have a local player with multiple outlets, but none of them have been able to expand to say more than a few cities. And hence at a national level at this point in time, I would go on to say that we don't have any competition. Now, when we talk about the value proposition that we bring, one thing that I would like to highlight is that the team that I have, and I call them my team of co-founders. This is a team of about 15 people who have been associated with Uclean right from the very beginning. And very fortunately for us, they are still there. So they carry more than million hours of experience from the laundry industry, from the marketing side of business, from the technology side of business. And that is why wherever we enter, we are able to design a training program that is curated for that particular region. So just to give an example, when we enter in Tamil Nadu, and there's a lot of homework that the team is already doing, we are training people to not only be able to wash general clothes, but also be able to cater to clothes that are very particular for that particular region. So for example, for Chennai, we are already undergoing tests in Delhi NCR, where we are trying to wash Kanjivarams, we are trying to wash Veshtis, because we know that now is the time to enter Tamil Nadu, now is the time to enter Chennai. And these are the very particular clothes that we would start facing the moment we enter this region. So that is one very big value proposition where we focus on creating a training program that is very specific to the region. And the second value proposition, which I would say, is that we have introduced transparency, and we have leveraged transparency to build this, leverage technology to build this transparency, so that people are aware as to what is happening with their expensive clothes. And that is the least we can do. So I think these are two very big value propositions, which has helped us scale to more than 250 franchisees in just 4 years.
Sure. So thank you so much for giving us that understanding, and we wish you a very good luck for your future signups and everything. And I'm very much sure that Anna will definitely bring more of the investors for you.
Thank you, Archana. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Take care, Anna. Take care. Now we invite the next brand, and next brand is Gem Selection by Khanna Gems, and we invite Chief Marketing Officer at Gem Selections, Mr. Aradhya Khanna. He has actually seen the growth of this particular brand, which was established by his father, very renowned personality, Mr. Pankaj Khanna. He's a known personality in his field, and today Mr. Aradhya Khanna will talk about the business model, the franchisee model they have got for us. Thank you so much, Aradhya, for joining in today. We are ready for your presentation. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Archana ji. I would like to start the presentation with a short video. I hope you all can see my screen.
Yes, sir, we can.
Gem Selections, the world's biggest gemstone brand, founded in 1987 by Pankaj Khanna, with the only goal to bring the finest of the world to our customers. With more than 500 dealers worldwide, 1,904 affiliated astrologers, and 15 stores around the globe, Gem Selections brings quality gemstones from factory to the hands of the customers directly. Technologically advanced ecosystems around gemstones are designed to benefit both the sellers and customers. Gem Selections has been recognized as a symbol of trust and genuinity by celebrities. With more than 2 crore YouTube lifetime views and over 50 lakh traffic across website and social media, Gem Selections has been the choice of all ages. Come partner with us and be a part of the largest growing gemstone brand in the world. Gem Selections.
Gem Selections is the retail brand of our group, Khanna Gems Group. Today, Gem Selections is the world's biggest brand for astrological gemstones. My father, Mr. Pankaj Khanna, started this brand back in 1987. He is the chairman of the entire Khanna Gems Group, and he is also the face of our brand, Gem Selections. He's a very renowned astrologer himself, and he's also the author of the best-selling book on gemstones, Mystery of Gemstones.
Our vision is to empower people to enjoy the benefits of natural gemstones by making the same available to them in each and every corner of the world at reasonable prices.
Gem Selection stores around the world. 14 stores in India, Delhi, Rajasthan, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Mumbai, Mysore, Bangalore. 2 stores in USA, San Francisco, California, and Idaho. 1 store in London, United Kingdom, and 1 store in Melbourne, Australia.
So I want to clarify one thing, that we are not a jewelry brand. We are an astrological gemstones brand. So right now the jewelry business is down, but our business, that is the business of astrological gemstones, it is booming like never before. So why is it so that when the jewelry market is down, astrological gemstones business is rising? Actually, we have to understand that why do people wear gemstones? People in India wear gemstones only and only on an astrologer's recommendation. And when do people visit astrologers? When do people consult astrologers? When they have some uncertainty in their life. Like a healthy person will never consult a doctor. Similarly, a happy person will never consult an astrologer. A person who has some kind of stress, who has some kind of anxiety, that person only will consult an astrologer. So right now what is happening due to the pandemic, the uncertainty level is at an all-time high. So more and more people are consulting astrologers. And when more and more people are consulting astrologers, more and more people are being recommended gemstones by these astrologers. So the overall demand of gemstones in the market has risen. Why we are at an advantageous position? What we have in place is a network of over 1900 astrologers who recommend our brand for a commission in return. So we have 1900 astrologers globally who recommend our brand. So in the COVID times, since more people are consulting astrologers and more astrologers are recommending them gemstones, our sales are rising like never before. The second reason why our growth will continue even after the pandemic is that after the pandemic, there will be economic crisis. There is an economic crisis right now. So people want to save liquidity. They don't want to spend their cash in one go. They want everything in EMI. We are the only company in entire Southeast Asia which actually sells gemstones on EMI. So what facility we offer? Let's say a customer wants to buy a 2 lakh rupee gemstone. The customer just has to pay 20,000 rupee down payment and he can take that 2 lakh rupee gemstone home. So right now everybody wants to conserve cash. So they will buy from us only. Let's say there are 10 customers in the market who are genuine buyers of gemstones. And all the 10 customers are made to know that, okay, Gem Selections is selling gemstones on EMI. So 9 out of 10 will actually want to buy the gemstone from a Gem Selections outlet only. So that is our biggest strength. So COVID has been actually very beneficial for our business. We have opened 12 stores in the COVID times. So I will tell you about the customer journey. First, the customer will take astrological consultation. So either it can be a third-party astrologer, an affiliate astrologer, or sometimes a customer walks into a gem selection store and says, I want to get astrological consultation. So we provide that astrological consultation also remotely. Our team sitting at the headquarters. So the franchisee can call the team at the headquarters and they will provide the astrological consultation. Our franchisee will book revenue here also. Then gemstone, the customer will select, okay, which gemstone I should wear. Because we sell gemstones which starts at 5,000 rupees and it goes up to crores of rupees. So we have a very wide range. So we will sell the gemstone to the customer. The customer will select, okay, I want to buy this gemstone. Then nobody just takes the gemstone. The customer will get the gemstone made into a ring, pendant or bracelet. So we will manufacture the ring, pendant or bracelet for the customer. So here also the franchisee will get commission. Then Abhimantanan is done to energize the gemstone. Here also we charge the customer and the franchisee will get commission. So the franchisee will make money in the entire process. The impact of COVID I have already discussed. Our business is booming even during the COVID time, and it is booming even more during the COVID time. So I will play this video. It will tell about the franchise opportunity.
Gem Selections Experience Center. We receive calls from nearly every district of this country. Let's say a customer sitting in Pushkar wants to buy a gemstone of rupees 2.5 lakhs, which he has selected on our website. He will be very afraid to order something of this value without any face-to-face interaction. The customer usually asks that do we have any branch office nearby? Here is where the role of Gem Selections Experience Center franchisee begins. We will redirect all our customers to our franchisee's address. He or she will take the payment from the customer. We will dispatch the particular gemstone from our headquarters to the franchisee's address, and then the customer will collect the gemstones from the franchisee. The franchisee will earn a good commission for facilitating the sale. Since we are the only company in India which sells gemstones on EMI, many people will inquire about the same from our franchisee as well. We will provide our internal software to the franchisee to access the customer's creditworthiness in order to sell gemstones on EMI. Does the franchisee owner need to be involved in the day-to-day operations? The franchisee owner does not need to be involved in the day-to-day operations at all. We have developed standard operating procedures for everything. Area required for the franchisee: 70 square feet to 100 square feet. Location of franchisee. The franchisee need not be in any mall or any main market, as our goal is not to sell to the walk-in customers. The franchisee can be opened in any location, but the location should be such that people should feel comfortable in carrying cash to buy their gemstone. Number of employees. Only one employee will be needed whose job will be to explain the customers about gemstones, take their ring size, place the order on our internal panel, collect money from the customer, and hand over the gemstone to the customer.
We are Gem Selections, retail brand of the vertically integrated Khanna Gems Group, passionate about bringing the best gems, God's gift to humanity, to our esteemed customers at the best price possible. We are the first company in India to sell the precious gemstones in their untreated natural form on EMIs. Join our Gem Selections family as franchise owners and reap the benefits of our brand, heritage, support, marketing to take your franchise business to new heights. Why should you own a Gem Selection franchise? The most important reason is that you are associated with the brand Gem Selections, and our team supports the franchise owners in every way, starting from store pre-launch marketing to store launch activities, to the continuous marketing that we do to ensure your store does more business. Let us consider the pre-launch marketing for your store. Our team puts its best efforts to ensure that the customers are well aware of your store and are lined up by the time your store opens. How do we achieve this? We do multi-pronged marketing through various avenues to target customers of all generations. We start with a teaser video or ad on the social networking sites and print media to generate curiosity among the people. We also ensure a lot of media coverage, be it the TV channels or the radio or the newspapers. We don't leave any stone unturned when it comes to marketing. We put on a lot of videos and ads on social media like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter and start a countdown to your store's launch. Now comes the big day, the store opening. How do we help you out here, you wonder? On the store launch day, we ensure that all the top media is there to witness and cover the store launch. Our countdown has already made potential customers curious about the store. We circulate the e-invitations over the various social networking platforms and printed media to ensure the public is aware of the store opening. We update the store address on our websites and all our records and continue your store's marketing. The most significant advantage of joining hands with us is that we don't stop here. We continue to market for your store by running various Google ads. We also continue with the promotions and video ads on digital platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, blogger outreach, conduct contests, and do many more campaigns to create awareness of your store and to attract more customers. We ensure regular media coverage of the store in newspapers, radio, and TV channels. We also publish esteemed customers' testimonials to create the buzz about your store and its offerings. Not only this, we organize one special webinar every month for each and every of our franchise stores where Mr. Pankaj Khanna, Chairman of Gem Selections and Khanna Gems Group, himself will talk about gemstones and also interact with the audience. In any business, marketing is the biggest pain point, but our franchise partners need not worry about that, as the entire burden of marketing is on us. Don't miss this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to become a Gem Selections franchise owner.
Benefits for a franchisee for Gem Selections. Access to 65 crore worth of government lab certified gemstone inventory. Exclusive rights to operate Gem Selection store in a territory. Training program and certification to represent Gem Selections. Multiple revenue streams, EMI support to customers from our finance team. Access to all departments of Gem Selections headquarters. Full central and local marketing support. 24/7 audio and video CCTV surveillance which ensures autopilot operations. Franchisee support team to help with each and every issue on top priority. Technology support provided by Gem Selections.
We will help our franchisee in each and every stage. What is the biggest thing that our franchisee is getting? Our franchisee, there are two main things in any business. Number one is inventory. Number two is marketing. So number one, you should have stock. Number two, there should be buyers to buy that stock. So the stock, we have an inventory of more than 65 crores, which is 100% government lab certified, IGI GTL certified. So any customer, any demand of the customer, we can fulfill. There is no, there cannot be a gemstone which we cannot sell. We sell from the cheapest to the most expensive gemstones, we have it all. So our franchisee will get virtual access to such a huge inventory. Number two, the entire burden of marketing is on us. Number three, the franchisee will get exclusive territory to operate the store. And end-to-end training is our job. The franchisee and their staff will be trained end-to-end by us. The franchisee will have multiple revenue streams. The franchisee will sell gemstones to customers in online and offline mode. The franchisee will sell gemstones to jewelers. The franchisee will sell gemstones to astrologers. And we also have a referral program which encourages more sales. So as we have discussed earlier, we are the only company in entire Asia which actually sells gemstones on EMI. So I want to clarify one thing, that the EMI transaction will be between us, the customer, and the bank or the NBFC, which is actually financing the product. The franchisee will get his or her margin upfront, but he or she has no risk whatsoever. The entire risk on the EMI transaction is on us. All our departments are at complete disposal of the franchisee. There will be, as I've already discussed, full marketing is our responsibility. End-to-end marketing is our responsibility. The store will be monitored by two separate teams all the times. All the time the store will be monitored. So you can do any other business also. The business will run on autopilot mode. The franchise support team will be there. 3-tier franchise support team will be there. Each and every issue will be resolved within 30 minutes. End-to-end technology support is being provided by us. So what is the investment to actually start a Gem Selections franchise? The investment to start a Gem Selections franchise, it is approximately 17 lakh rupees. So you will need an inventory of 7.5 lakh rupee. The franchise fees will be of 5 lakh rupee. The setup cost will be of 3 lakh rupee. And the working capital that we want that you should keep with yourself is 1.5 lakh rupee. It is equivalent to 3 months of operating expenses. The gestation period that we expect in our business, it is 3 months to 6 months. We don't need a very big area. We just need a 100 square feet shop. Only one manager is required to run the store. What are the monthly expenses? Rent will be around 20,000 rupee, 20,000 rupee. The staff salary will be around 20,000 rupee. And the miscellaneous expenses like electricity, broadband, etc. will be 10,000 rupees. So the total monthly operating expenses are 50,000 rupees. So what is the margin? 20% on the online sale of gemstones and jewelry, 28% on the gemstones and jewelry stock, and 40% on the crystal stock. So what is the revenue? So I want to tell you a very good thing about our business. Let's say you open up a restaurant, your turnover is 1 crore. You think, okay, I want to take the turnover from 1 crore to 2 crore. You have to have a bigger area. You have to have more tables. You have to have more waiters. You have to have a bigger kitchen, more chef in the kitchen. So first you will increase your expenses, then your sales will increase. But in our business, in the same shop, initially in the first year, your monthly sale will be 5 lakh rupees every month. But in the same shop, from 5 lakh rupee, you can scale the sale to 1 crore rupee monthly in that same 100 square feet shop. Because every sale that we do, it is of minimum 50,000 rupees. Average ticket price is 50,000 rupees. So to actually get 1 crore revenue from 100 square feet shop, it is not a big deal at all. So let's talk about the revenue and what you will get. So in the first year, you will have a turnover of approximately 60 lakh rupees. And when we calculate the first year, it is from the 4th month because 3 months is the gestation period. From the 4th month, the first year is calculated. So in the first year, you will get a turnover of 60 lakh, which means 5 lakh rupee every month. So what is your margin? As we have discussed earlier, there is different margin on online sale. There is different margin on the inventory that you have in the store. So the weighted average margin is 25%. So what is 25% of 5 lakh rupee? It is 1,25,000 rupees. This is the amount that you will get. So what are your operating expenses? Your operating expenses are just 50,000 rupees a month. So you can actually take home 75,000 rupees from the 4th month. It is a very big deal. And the more big deal is that you can scale the business. When the turnover will increase, your expenses won't increase in that proportion. We can see it in this slide. Even when your turnover is more, your expenses are not increasing. So your profit, the net profit that you will actually take home, it will increase manifold with the increase in turnover. So that is the biggest advantage in our business. So we have 6 gems in our crown. Number 1 is our online presence. We have more than 2 crore lifetime views on our YouTube channel. More than 50 lakh internet views on our views on our internet properties every month. We have been covered by almost all the major media in this country and worldwide. Celebrities talk about us on a very regular basis. Next gem is my father himself. Many people will be buying gemstones from the store because they have seen any of my father's video on our channel, Gem Selections Khanna Gems, or they have read his article on Times of India, Navbharat Times, Deccan Herald, Deccan Chronicle, etc. So as we have already discussed, we have tied with more than 1900 astrologers. It is a very big asset for us. We are the only company which actually sells gemstones on EMI in the entire Asia. We have been awarded by various national as well as international organizations.
It's a double celebration though because Gem Selections has just opened up a brand new store right here in Melbourne, Australia. Go check it out. I'm so excited. I wish you guys every success.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Aradhya, for giving us this understanding about the business
Thank you,
model
Archana.
through video, through different beautiful videos as well as from PPT. Now, Anna, if you have any query for him.
No. Actually, only during the lockdown, only the people were locked inside, not their thoughts to go into for a better future. For the better future, for the astrology, they'll be looking in only for the gemstones. So it's better we come into the gemstones soon. Thank you, Arnab. Thank you for the thank you, Aradhya, for the wonderful presentation.
Thank you, Anamalaji. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Take
Thank
care.
you. Thank you.
Now, the next brand which we are representing for each one of you is Proogle, and we have invited the founder of Proogle, Mr. Varun Mittal, who will be sharing his screen and talking about this brand. Proogle, they're into gaming retail section, rental section, I'm so sorry, rental section. And today he'll be sharing his business idea with us, which he started. And thank you so much, Varun, for joining in. May we request to have a PPT on our screen?
Hello future entrepreneurs. Do you know, one of the fastest growing business is online gaming industry? With increased technology, games will have the potential of being massively multiplayer with not just 4 to 8 people playing, but potentially involving hundreds. These massive multiplayer games would massively increase the demand for gaming gears. Proogle is one of the fastest growing online rental gaming company. We provide all sort of advanced technology gaming devices for rent. We have more than 30,000 customer, and the count is growing fast who is waiting to enjoy our service. Now, we are inviting you to join us as franchise owners to grow with us. As franchise owners, you don't need to worry about sales, because we will take care of complete marketing and sales. Your task will be very simple. When customers make order online, that order will come to Proogle headquarters. That lead will be sent to the nearest franchise. You shall view that order in your portal, accept the order and deliver the same to the customer. You shall sit back and earn handsomely every month. By becoming Proogle's partner, you will be able to reach to millions of gamers across the network, community and Proogle Cafe. Assured returns on investment. Assured rental program. Free marketing. Brand value. Recession-free business. So, what next? We doubled our revenue during pandemic. Minimum guarantee return of 2 to 3% on your investment. Precautionary steps against theft like, as we seal and use our own design IoT chips to keep a track of the product. We take the responsibility for recovery. We do the insurance from our end. We have 24/7 hotline number to provide service to our customer and partner. Are you ready to change the gaming industry? Join us today.
Hi everybody. My name is Varun Mittal. I'm the founder of Proogle Technologies Private Limited, and let me tell you about my company, Proogle, and let's start. So basically, Proogle Technologies, basically we started it 2 years back. So what we are now franchising it. At Proogle, what we are doing is we are actually renting electronics online.
Your phone has no data connection,
So we are basically renting online electronic products, which are basically PlayStation, Xboxes, PS4, computers, their respective accessories and other things. So we are renting it out on our platforms, which is on app, on our website, or you can access it through any means, tablet ke through up, you can access it. And these are the products that we are renting out online. So dhire dhire karke we have created a good huge user base. And why you should rent out with us? Basically, we are providing ROI of up to 66% per annum. which is basically if you are joining up with us, this is a very huge revenue stream, and the return on investment is great. The customer referral and retention is great. हमारा जो भी customer है, they'll come back. There's a 80% chance that they'll refer it to their friends. Every customer that is renting with us on our platform is a verified renter. हम उनकी total KYC कराते हैं. We take a personal guarantor, and then only we rent anything out to them. We bring all the sales. So basically there are 30,000 customers across India who are waiting just to rent out things from our side, and we are number one in the gaming sector. So basically abhi IPL, during the IPL in April 2021, we rented out all our PlayStations to the players as well. Basically they were in the COVID bubble, and we were the only company they can rent out from. We have the best prices in the market. And every website who is renting out gaming electronics are also renting it out from our warehouses only. So we are the only one, and we are the first movers in the sector. Minimum guarantee is 3%. If you're working with us, we assure you that you'll earn from the very first day, and 3% minimum monthly guaranteed हम income ensure करते हैं आप लोगों को from the very first day. Break even in the less than 45 days. कोई भी business, कोई भी franchisee आपको नहीं कहेगी कि we will give you income from the very first day, and 45 days में आपका break even आ जाएगा, and you will be earning handsomely. We are using proprietary chipsets, GPS systems in all our electronic products. Proprietary Plugal products hai wo, and basically they'll be so we can check health of the electronics. We can see where they are and their whereabouts. We can see everything in this through these proprietary chips. So there is very least chance of not knowing where your products are. Basically it's a rental business, so you can sit back and earn handsomely out of it. But there is no workload. It's just a rental business. We'll give you your sales portal. You'll get the sales from sales at that point, and you can just deliver it to the customers and talk to the customers. That's it. That's the work. हमारे product की security, उसकी recovery, उसकी insurance, and the agreements with our clients are all taken care of from our side. 7-tier recovery system hai if anything happens to your stock. So these are the marketing endeavors. हमारा जो website online rental platform hai. So these are the ways we are marketing it. So the first thing is we buy local cricket teams or local sports team in your area. Like this is Tamil Nadu, so we'll be seeing what sport that are played in your area the most, and हम वहाँ पे we'll start sponsoring and buying the cricket teams to promote that area. वैसे usually we have the customers in those areas, or like if we talk about Tamil Nadu, we have around 4,457 customers in the waiting list जो अभी rent हमसे करना चाहते हैं and given us the advance and hasn't been able to receive the products. This has been throughout all India. Problems हमें आई रही हैं serve करने के लिए because the demand is really high and we aren't able to supply it accordingly. We do the local awareness via hoardings, pamphlets, and newspapers. Also, हम schools and colleges में ambassadors and sponsorships भी provide करते हैं. हमारे ads IPL and ICL में आ रहे, ISL leagues, football और cricket की leagues में भी आते हैं कि to rent your electronics, gaming, computers वगैरह from our site. E-sports और online gaming tournaments हम कराते हैं to generate the awareness in your areas. Organizing sport events across nation. हम बहुत सारे sports events भी खुद organize करते हैं. RMC Xavier Cup was one of the tournaments that we organized recently in Delhi. We do ads, social media, Instagrams pe, Facebook pe. We promote it into the younger generation. There is a 24/7 hotline number on which we usually receive orders, queries, कोई भी problems होती है, and even आपके लिए भी ये है, जो भी franchisee है, if he has any problem, there is a 24/7 hotline number for that. There is a waiting list of almost 30,000 customers जो rent out करना चाहते हैं already और हम पे है, उनको देने के लिए अभी products available नहीं हो रहे हैं. That's why we started franchising it out. SEO, we are the leading top listing search on Google. अगर आप usually आप लिखेंगे कि rent electronics on Google, तो सबसे पहले Plugal ही आएगा, और उसके बाद जितनी भी 10 वेबसाइट्स आ रही है, वो भी सब हमसे ही लेके रेंट आउट कर रही है. So basically we are the market leader and we have the monopoly in rental gaming electronic sector. हमारी वेबसाइट पे डेली 2000 विजिटर्स आ रहे हैं, नए विजिटर्स, पुराने विजिटर्स के अलावा. So we are growing at a very faster rate and we more than what we can support. That's why we are franchising it again. And ads, Hotstar, YouTube, Prime Video पे भी हमारे regularly चलते रहते हैं, just to create the awareness of the brand. So basically, let's talk about our group. Our group is having a turnover of 1500 crore rupees. हमारी company basically different sectors में है. White Saffron Hospitality Services. We have 3-star, 5-star properties across India. We are investors in Haldirams. हमारे hotels हैं Shanti Plaza के नाम से. Kaleva franchises we have. We are the distributors of Neutralite butter across Delhi, and Plugal, we are talking about it. Delhi 6 restaurant chain is owned by our group, and we have around 23 restaurants across India. And we have the grocery store by the name of Shivam Agencies. We wholesale groceries, and we have railway contracts in which we supply groceries. So we have a 1500 crore rupees turnover. So you are not joining up with any small company, first of all. And this is the vision of Plugal. हमारा rental electronic store तो है ही, जिसके आप part बन रहे हैं. But the opportunity is not limited to that. We have a gaming academy coming up. We are funding gaming companies, जिनको those who are making new companies and those who are developing new games. We are funding those companies, and Plugal Bootcamp is there. जिसमें हम basically basically it's a community where if a person wants to develop a game, he can look for other people to join hands with. So it's basically a community to help gamers. तो हमारी community बहुत ही बड़ी है, and around 30,000 customers are still waiting in our rental electronics store, which you franchisees will be serving. Personally, we are serving a stock of around 8 crore rupees. And अगर हम gaming industry की बात करें, तो it's a $90 billion industry. इससे बड़ी industry अभी, इससे ज़्यादा growing industry कोई है भी नहीं. हमें ज़्यादा market करने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं है. The company and the market is growing itself. COVID में everybody was at home and everybody started working from home. They started gaming और हमारा business बहुत ही बड़ा है. COVID के time पे लोगों के कम हो रहे थे, ये business boom किया है. And we have a waiting list of exactly 22,978 customers across India, and the rest of it from outside India, which we won't be able to cater out of those 30,000. So these are the cities which we are targeting: Ludhiana, Chandigarh, Shimla, Delhi, Jaipur, Lucknow, Guwahati. अगर हम साउथ में बात करें तो हैदराबाद, मैसूर, बेंगलुरु, चेन्नई, कोयम्बटूर, कोची. These are the main industries which we are looking for, and the waiting list is huge. We have around 20 franchisees signed up with us, जिन्होंने हमारे साथ start कर लिया है, and within 15 days वो profitable हो गए थे. And we have started and they are out of stock in the first 1 month. they have asked us to buy more stock from us because they were not able to serve their own cities. And जैसे दिल्ली की बात करें तो we require 5 franchisees and only 3 are there. Tamil Nadu is an untapped area where we have 4,000, around 4,457 to be accurate, waiting list of people जो हमसे rent out करना चाहते हैं, and we are not able to support them. So let's talk about the franchisee model. सबसे अच्छी बात हमारे franchisee model की ये है कि the ROI is great. Nobody is committing on paper कि वो ROI कितनी देंगे, and monthly income तो कोई commit कर ही नहीं रहा है किसी भी franchisees में. I have been a franchisee myself for the past 4 years. I have been a franchisee of Kaleva, and nobody promised me anything. And we are promising from the day one कि आपकी monthly income is the 3% of your investment that you will be investing with us. So if we talk about the smallest model, 10 lakh rupees model, उसमें आपका काम थोड़ा करना पड़ेगा. You can start, area की requirement नहीं है. You can start it from your houses only, and you can build it up to as big as you want to. It can go up to 50 lakh rupees. You can have your own stores also. As I said, there's a 3% minimum guarantee that we are providing. Franchisee fee is 1 lakh rupees. If we talk about the smallest model, the royalty to brand is 20%. Every sale that goes around, we'll take 20% of whatever it is. So it's a rental business. Anything that comes into the company is basically your profit, क्योंकि rent है, and you don't have to share it with anybody. So the 20% we'll be taking from that rents that you'll be receiving. Average payback time 22.9 months का है, and जितना बड़ा मॉडल आप करेंगे उतना ही कम काम करना पड़ेगा, उतना ही you have to work low, and उतनी the ROI will be faster. There is a flawless rental also, जिसमें you don't have to work at all. We'll give your stock to the bigger companies like Oyo Rooms, Eros Hotels. They'll use your stock and they'll rent it in their hotels. You will receive monthly revenue from those companies directly. There are many hotels that are tied up with us. There's a Taj Hotel, there's Lee Meridian, there's Hyatt Hotels that are working with us. Apart from that, there are companies like co-working spaces that are with us. There are different websites that rent out from us to their customers. So there's a flawless rental system in which the third party will be renting out your products, and you don't have to worry about anything. You don't have to worry about in the smaller dealership model also, because sales or marketing पूरी हम देखेंगे. You'll just have a sales portal, उसमें sale आएगी. You'll have to manage all the sales. You'll have to manage all the customers. You'll have to manage how they are working. You have to ask them for the rent every month via the portal we'll give you. And हमारी master franchisees भी काफी states की चली गई है. Few are available, and we can talk about those states also. So if you're ready to partner with us, then please give us a call, and we'll give you the franchisee kit on this chat as well. If you're interested, please let us know.
Thank you, Varun, for this wonderful presentation. I think as you have been aptly telling, like Chennai, there is a requirement. Chennai and Tamil Nadu, there are people in the waiting list to take up this project, and it is an unexplored market here. So I look forward for somebody who's been really interested in taking up this for a master franchise or on a rental basis or on whatever it is. I think it's a right opportunity and a good option for this. We will try to bring in somebody for you, Varun, from Chennai. Thank you, Varun, for the presentation.
So thank you so much, Varun, for sparing time. We understand you are very busy, but still you got time for this particular project. Thank you so much for joining in today. And as promised by Anna, will definitely bring all the interested parties to you.
And we have a buyback option. If there's any person who is not interested in working with us in the next 6 months, he started working out with us, we have a buyback option. The company will buy the whole franchisee there. within the next 6 months, because ROI is very high and we are interested. It is key waiting list is very high and we cannot, serve it as soon as we can. So it's a very big opportunity and it's a very good opportunity. We want to work with everybody in a long-term basis, and we are providing all kinds of support from starting it up to till the end.
Sure.
Thank you for your time, Archana, and thank you, Anna, for your time.
Thank you. Rather, thank you to you for coming up today and giving us this opportunity to showcase your brand.
Thank you. It was very difficult to take out time for these
I
things, but
understand.
I really appreciate for you for giving us this opportunity, Archana.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Varun. Take care. Take care.
Thank you.
Bye. Take care. So thank you so much, everyone, for joining in today. These were the 5 top opportunities we have got for you. But before we finally say goodbye to each one of you, may I request Anna to formally close this particular webinar in your regional language. And we have shared our business hotline number as well as our email ID with each one of you in chat box. You can take a snap of it or you can write it down. You can connect with us at our business hotline number, which is 9717683838. You can also write to us at feedback@franchiseindia.in. The entire team would be there to help you. For local reference, obviously, we have our very experienced resource, Mr. Anna, who is sitting in your city and giving you all the information related to different business opportunities we have got for you. So over to you, Anna, to formally close this session.
Thank you, Archana. It was really a wonderful presentation, to a wonderful opportunity here in Tamil Nadu. I think we have been giving continuous opportunities to the investors in Tamil Nadu for them to pick up a product and to scale. It's really a good opportunity, and the brands really were really good. All 5 brands, all 4 or 5 brands were really good. And I thank the participants. They have been, although it started off with 80 and now there are more than 40 participants waiting for the closure. Thank you very much for the patient waiting and having confidence in us. Thank you, Archana, for this wonderful presentation. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us today. Look forward to have you again for our other webinars. Thank you so much. Thanks, Anna. Take care. Good night.
Thank you. Good night.